Hello students, this screencast is meant to show you how to download SoundzAbounds into your multimedia projects. The first thing you need to do is you need to open up a browser. I happen to be using Chrome. I need to get to the Bonduel School District's main pages, and I have that as a thumbnail. Once you're on the main page of the School District of Bonduel, you need to get to the Library Media Center. It's located on the left-hand side, and you'll notice that it's on each tab of every building that we have. This is for middle school, so I'll show you the media center from there. Once you are in the Library Media Center, you just choose the building that you're part of. Your main library is in the middle school, so that's the one that says Bonduel Middle High. And then under resources, we need to find Badgerlink. And the reason why we're finding Badgerlink is the SoundzAbounds is kind of the product that's housed in the store of the Wisconsin Media Lab, which is part of the mall, for analogy of Badgerlink. So it's housed a little deep. So if you go to Badgerlink, we can log in. And the first thing we have to do under login is we have to choose our library. Our library is, if I type BON pretty quickly, it does show Bonduel, School District of Bonduel. And then my login has to have SDOB, and then whatever my normal login is. So SDOB is easy to remember because it stands for School District of Bonduel. The reason why we had to do that is because Badgerlink has a parameter where we need 8 or 9 letters in our password or more. So we just added SDOB, and you don't even have to capitalize it, in front of your normal login, and it will work. Once you choose login, you are looking for SoundzAbounds. If you think about it, for your format, this would be multimedia. You're making a multimedia product. You choose apply, and then I have a lot of multimedia options, but I want you to know that this is going to be alphabetized, and we need to get to the Wisconsin Media Lab, so I'm going to use my scroll bar, and here's SoundzAbounds. I could go there, or I could go to the Wisconsin Media Lab. I'll show you this way. It just takes a little longer, and then I'll show you the other way. SoundzAbounds located up here in a tab. It's also located right here as a tile. And they are grouped by theme. I'm going to pretend that I need, how about animal sounds? I'm an animal lover. You choose animal sounds. You look for the title of something that you want. I got to do the goose honk. I have a dog that makes that sound when she's hungry. And then I can test drive it. When you open up the title of the sound you're looking for, it does look like a video. If this is what I want, I'm going to put my cursor right here. I need to download this video, which actually turns into a sound file. It's a little folder with a down arrow. And you'll notice down here that it has this MP3 file has been downloaded. When you are into your multimedia project, what you need to do is remember that it was called Goose Honk 01, or just the fact that it was goose usually gets me far enough. And then when you choose to insert sound or soundbite, or however it's labeled in whatever product you're using to create your multimedia project, then you just pull it from your download file, and you can just start typing GOO, and you'll notice that it's there. These files will have this icon to it. It'll open up in Groove Music if you just listen to it normally, but I want you to notice that icon one more time. So I'm going to download it. And it's this icon I'm telling you about. I just lost it. It comes and it goes, but it's really easy to find in your downloads when you're looking for that particular icon. The other way to find SoundzAbounds is, I'm going back just a screen, and just to remind you that we chose multimedia, and we hit apply. And then I can use my scroll bar, and I can just go to SoundzAbounds. And when you choose this, it brings you right to the same place that we were at. 2 different ways to get to the same place. That should be it. Have a great day.